Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about IOTX price prediction and Iotex news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Iotex in 2022. Starting in 2017 as an open source project, Iotex has grown into a decentralized platform that empowers open economies for machines. It is an open ecosystem where humans and machines can interact with guaranteed trust, free will, and properly designed economic incentives. With a global team of over 40 scientists and engineers, Iotex has built its EVM-compatible blockchain from the ground up using the innovative role-pose consensus mechanism. The launch of the main network with over 100 delegates worldwide took place in April 2019. To date, the network has processed more than 10 million transactions. On top of the Iotex blockchain, key infrastructure blocks have been created to communicate with Ethereum, BSC and Hiko blockchains. The founders of Iotex are Roland Kai, Kevin Guo, Xingxin Fan, and Jing Sun. So let's start with the most important news of the past days. Technical analysis. AMP surges, IOTX lower after Friday's jump. Disclaimer, this info 15 days later. Friday's big gainer IOTX fell lower on Saturday, as a red wave continued to submerge crypto markets to start the weekend. Overall, cryptocurrencies were down around 5% as of writing. Biggest gainers on a day where the majority of the crypto market was trending lower. Finding a bull was no mean feat. However, there were two exceptions, one being EGLD, but the standout was AMP, which rose by close to 10% during the session. AMP United States dollar, which was trading at a low of $0.03055 on Friday, climbed to an intraday high of $0.03723 earlier today. Today's move came as the price of AMP rallied to resistance of $0.0340, briefly breaking out of this level in the process. Despite falling below this level since, prices are still higher than yesterday's low, as bulls managed to resist the onslaught from Saturday's bear market. Price strength rose to a high of 49, which was the highest level since January 4, but this ceiling has so far held firm. The moving averages of 10 days, red, and 25 days, blue, have since seen an upside crossover, which keeps hopes alive of upcoming bullish momentum. Biggest losers for the third time this week, the bull of one day moved to being the biggest loser the next, as IOTX gave up some of Friday's gains. IOTX, which surged by as much as 15% yesterday, dropped by a similar percentage on Saturday, as traders appear to have secured profits. The price of IOTX United States dollar, which hit a high of $0.1195 yesterday, fell to an intraday low of $0.0965 today, as markets seem to be heading for support at $0.1120. Despite today's move, price strength still remains in overbought territory, and is tracking at 52.95 on the 14-day RSI. This could be music to the ears of longer-term bears who may see this as an opportunity to maintain their short positions. The next news, Russian rubles could become worthless as allies target central bank after SWIFT move. After the EU, Canada, and the US agreed to remove selected Russian banks from the SWIFT messaging system, the Russian central bank is to be targeting Bitcoin with the rocket fuel it needs to resume its bullish uptrend. For the Russian state-run media outlet TASS, the bank has ramped up exchange rates on the United States dollars by almost 7 rubles, around United States dollars 0.08, with euro exchange rates also hiked by almost 0.8%. The same report noted that the Moscow Exchange's index of leading shares had plummeted by almost a third on yesterday's figures. Trading has since been suspended on the exchange, after hitting limits below which it refuses to operate. The dollar and the euro have been trading on forex markets at record highs, TASS added. However, the central bank's headaches may just have begun. As reported, Bitcoin, BTC, and stablecoin buying, as well as gold, have shot up both in Ukraine and Russia, with many citizens on both sides of the conflict looking to offload both the Ukrainian hryvnia and the Russian ruble. With many conventional cash currency exchanges in Ukraine shuttering or reporting serious shortages in United States dollars banknotes, similar situations could set to take place in Russia, and a Cold War-style United States dollars banknote black market for fiat may emerge. But the central bank is also ready to enact a more draconian solution, TASS also reported. The central bank was quoted as stating that it had clear action plans for any scenario. Without further expanding, the bank noted that it had decided to start making interventions in the foreign exchange market. No official limits appear to have been set on United States dollars and euro trading as of yet, but the central bank insisted that it would ensure the maintenance of financial stability and the business continuity of financial institutions, using all the necessary tools at its disposal. News. It reported that some lawmakers have suggested that the government could take a step further and even seize people's funds, should the West block all foreign funds. The comments came from the Communist Party MP Nikolai Ayer. Well, according to tradition, at the end of the video, are modest analytical forecasts about this cryptocurrency. Interestingly, questions such as whether we are making any investments in IOTX, or whether Iotex will survive in the next few years are unknown. IOTX is currently worth $0.074 United States dollars with a hefty capitalization, making it rated 96 on the list of the most valuable coins. IOTX price prediction 2022. For a long-term IOTX price forecast, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a chance that the average IOTX price will rise to around $0.100 by 2022 if the idea attracts more investors. For 2022, the year may end with a maximum price of 11 cents with a minimum price $0.096 level. IOTX price prediction 2023. In 2023, with wider adoption and partnerships among other important blockchain networks, the price of IOTX will skyrocket. The maximum trading price may reach 17 cents in 2023. The price ranges will be very trendy if we stick to them. If all goes well, we can expect an average price of 14 cents with a maximum price of 17 cents for 2023. IOTX rate prediction 2024. IOTX will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the IOTX rate will hit new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2024, the IOTX rate will be almost 20 cents. The maximum bet we can get is 24 cents. IOTX average price forecast for the end of 2024 could be around 20 cents. A huge price turnover is expected in the range determined by the cryptocurrency market. IOTX price prediction 2025. Volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today it is not easy to predict and keep up with current prices. This is where many cryptanalysts come into play. Price projections are correct for the years indicated. Cryptocurrency consumers remain concerned about cryptocurrency bans and new restrictions. IOTX could cross 35 cents if the market sees a nice bull run in 2025. Given that it is expected to be owned by long-term investors, its average price for 2025 will be around 31 cents. IOTX price prediction 2026. It appears that by 2026, IOTX prices will reach a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2026, we can expect the average rate to be 47 cents. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that the IOTX maximum price could be up to 52 cents in 2026. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. IOTX price prediction 2027. There are signs that the cryptocurrency market is entering a new year. We are sure that the long-term price forecast for IOTX will rise as there is still optimism that the currency will attract much more attention. The year 2027 may end with an average rate of 66 cents and a minimum rate of 64 cents. The maximum bet is expected to be around 78 cents. IOTX rate prediction 2028. The value of IOTX will rise thanks to the efforts of network developers and community investors. Therefore, the settlement price for the year 2028 is bullish. IOTX is expected to top out at $1.11 by the end of 2028, according to analysts. On the other hand, it is very optimistic that the future of IOTX will eventually grow. Thus, the predicted average price of IOTX will be between 92 cents and 96 cents, expected in 2028 depending on the market. As stated in the same slogan, the